everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jenna and today I have my very first Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. I have recently canceled my ipsy subscription. I have switched over to Boxycharm. I don't really want to go into it right now in this video, but if you want a full video on why I switched to Boxycharm and pros and cons of both ipsy and Boxycharm, leave that in the comments down below and I will definitely do that video for you guys, because I do feel like when I signed up for my ipsy subscription I didn't do my full research on which one would work best for me. But since I have had ipsy for almost a full year, I have realized that it wasn't really the best subscription service for me. I wanted to try Boxycharm. So this is my box. I have 5 full-size things to show you guys today. So let's just get right into the video. So I'm going to start with this. It is the Queen Studio Dragon Duo. It is an eyeliner duo with 2 eyeliners. And so this one is a pencil eyeliner, and then this one is a liquid eyeliner. I really do like the tip of this eyeliner. I feel like it's gonna be really awesome for doing wings. I don't want to swatch anything right now, just because in case I ever decide to give these to someone else or include them in a giveaway, I want them to be brand new. And that retails for $28. So already we are over what I paid for this box, because it is a $25 box and the first thing retailed for $28. So the next thing is the Dr. branded triple peptide eye cream. And it says, this deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. And this retailed for $82. And I have a few open eye creams already, so I'm not going to open this one yet, but I have used a Dr. branded exfoliator and I really do love it. So I really think I'm going to love this product as well. So I'm excited to go through the eye creams I'm already working through so I can get my way into this one, because I don't want to have too many open at once and then them go bad. And also, I don't think I told you guys, the theme for this month is Fresh Start. Next, I have this thing here. I'm going to open it from the bubble wrap, and it's the Quartz Infused Reset Mist. And the little info card says, indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Spray the reset mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep, and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. So that is really cool how you can use it on your face and on your bed sheets, and it retails for $36. I am not going to spray it on my face because I have makeup on right now, but I will spray it. And it smells really good, so I'm so excited about this product. I don't know if I said it, that retails for $36. Next, I have the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil Free Gel Moisturizer. And it was made exclusively for Boxycharm, so I think that is really, really cool. It says on the info card, an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. So I'm going to open it, and it smells really yummy. It smells like very natural, and I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. It feels very watery. It feels like a little bit is gonna go a long way. So, and it is a lot in here, so I do feel like this is going to last a very long time. I am looking for a new moisturizer to use, so I'm very excited that I got one in my Boxycharm so I can put it to use. And that retailed for $38. So last but not least, I have the palette that came this month, and this is the Ciate Velvet palette. So this is what it looks like out of the box, and this is the back. Okay, wow, it is actually a very pretty palette. This is what it looks like. I love how it has mattes and shimmers and metallics, and I love the little imprint on the palette. I think that is so cool. I am gonna swatch a few shades, but I'm just looking and trying to figure out which ones I'm gonna swatch. So I think I'm going to swatch this one right here. Wow, and that feels so soft. and it swatches beautifully. And like, look at that reflection, oh my gosh. And I obviously have to swatch this yellow shade right here. So that one didn't swatch as strongly as the other ones did. This was 2 layers of the yellow, but still the reflection is amazing. I can't wait to put that on the eyes. Now I'm gonna swatch the metallic shade at the top. So it shows up really light. I feel like in some angles you can't even tell that I swatched something on my hands, but I'm still very excited about it. And then I'm going to swatch this matte brown shade. And that went on really nicely too. That is the bottom one that I just put on. I think it's a beautiful palette and I'm very excited to use it. I think it has a good range of colors, especially with that big pop of yellow. I think there's so many fun looks I can do with this, and I'm very excited to play with it. And what I always like to do, I'll put all the swatches together and I, for some reason, just rubbed it onto the side of my thumb. So there's all the swatches together. No one cared about that. I don't know why I did it, but that was everything for this month's Boxycharm. Okay everyone, so I forgot to say how much the Ciate palette was. It was $30, and so that means that this box total was $214. I paid $25 for this box, so already I feel like that is so much better than ipsy. And I'm just so excited with all the things that I did get. And I feel like with ipsy it was very hit or miss if I did like the things that I got, where with this box I seriously loved every single thing. So yeah, I just wanted to jump in editing me and let you guys know, because I realized I forgot to add up how much everything cost to tell you guys. And I hope you guys like this video, because there will be more Boxycharm videos coming, because I loved this. I already feel like it was so much better than the ipsy subscriptions that I was getting. So I'm very excited that I did upgrade to Boxycharm. I am so happy with the decision that I made, and I hope you guys are too. Comment down below if you would like me to review any of these products in a video for you guys. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. And I'm always trying to learn what works and what doesn't work when it comes to YouTube. So comment down below what you liked and then maybe didn't like about this video, so I know what to do to improve my videos so you guys like them more. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you're still watching, obviously like you got this far, so you should totally subscribe to see more videos. And so yeah, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye!